I want to play against Multimos. We have a lot of history. We made a lot of videos together, and I need to give him a beatdown.
The other clan's weakness is that they don't have me on their team.
I'm Benton1, a longtime Clash Royale YouTuber, and I'm here to win this war. I believe I handle pressure well. I've been doing YouTube for a while. I'm used to having eyes on me. What makes a competitive clan is everyone giving it their all and never giving up.
I'm Mau8. I'm a professional Clash Royale player and influencer, and I'm here to represent the Hispanic community. The other clan's weakness might be the difference in level between Surgical and the other guys. I don't think they will manage to work together better than us. I'm gonna contribute in everything I can. Experience, playstyle, knowledge, everything.
I'm Nick at Night, and I am a max level player. I bring to the clan a lot of life, a lot of party planning knowledge. I've been known to make it a hoot and holler over there in the arena, and this island is gonna be hopping with my golem decks. I think if you have fun with it, that's 90% of the battle.
I'm Neri, I'm from Brazil, I like a lot of the mortar, and I'm a Zezinho Mortarim. To become a great clan, you have to train a lot, having fun with great friends. The other clan have more Brazilian guys, but they haven't the right Brazilian guy.
My name's OJ, and I like to play the game one card at a time. I love handling pressure, especially when all eyes on me. It actually gives me more energy, knowing that my clanmates are supporting me behind there. I'm looking forward to playing against Surgical Goblin because he thinks he's the #1 player in the world, but he's wrong. I'm the #1 player in the world.